area I throw a salute. I don't welcome for football in Pidgin. After match talk how you see them. Manchester United 2 and Liverpool 1. And we get Oga Akpevwe we'll be like seeing a very bunge Liverpool fan may come tell us about how he see the game. Oga Akpevwe, what do you think say go wrong for Liverpool for this game?
My own side of the match be say we get many injury players, but the most important thing be say we miss manager, man or lie. We miss the boy commitment, he work rate and everything. It clear say na man they do most Liverpool work. Both the attacking, the defending, the marking, the tackling, the passes, the goals, the contribution when they put. But now as we all lost man in night, like say the whole world turn injury they happen, many things. But I know say today match Liverpool no go win now. That na sure. But any asha good or rain, sun or shine, any I be. We be still Liverpool.
Still Liverpool fan.
Yes.
So, but make I ask you about this Liverpool defense. We know say they had to score Liverpool normally, but this season, these first 3 matches when Liverpool don't play, we see the defense they concede. What do you think say they go wrong for the defense? Because honestly, you talk about Virgil van Dijk. We don't know say they had to beat them normally, but this season we can't see say as the season just the start, whether na form you never pick or what do you get to talk about Liverpool defense and the goals where they concede so far?
One thing about Van Dijk, I see him say they lose focus. I don't know that due to Sadio Mane transfer, but now Van Dijk they slack back. Not they consistent as last 2 and present season. It shows say Van Dijk drop form, he lose form. You know the market this period the black say whether na flex see the body I don't know, but it shows say Van Dijk not did the game at all. The way they mark, the way they coordinate the players back then and now it shows a big difference there. You understand me? So I suspect say Van Dijk and Matip need to play together, and this one now Konate they outside injury. I don't know what put on. You understand me? So now Van Dijk, he need to work on his stamina and his energy, his focus, so that he will get his balance again, so that he will know say yes, he will be the great Van Dijk, and that's what I see him to be. To me, Liverpool go feel they will try small, but I not expect them to finish second. I not see him, but. Although season just starts, more not just sit down and say George. And season just starts, so more say before they go play like the next 6 games, more see how they will play. Because now if you just say me as the verse, because the match they verse me for Saturday, so so I know if you just use that and say rate them now. So if I don't see the way they don't play their next 6 match, if I don't see the way they don't play well, say they don't gather much confidence in them, I feel say okay, they feel contribute for the title race, but as it stands now to finish Champions League spot now we do that first four. If we balance that first 4, no shaking. Right. But I know say like this now, that commitment of that last season, not there anywhere for Liverpool. Liverpool don't run that one come out. So I know if you decide for them now. But presently now, no, we don't make Champions League like this now. We don't follow Man City compete for the title. So they get more players. They see the vibe in there.
So they get ginger.
Yes, they sabi do all those things. Liverpool come like say I don't care or I know I want put on. You know if they run that matter again.
So ma ask you now. You don't talk say you know they see Liverpool to challenge Man City for the league this season. So which teams you can't think say go challenge Man City?
Man City again and. Man City is third 11.
Man City again.
Yes, now
so now only Man City fit do one.
Man City.
Make every other team come up body.
Yes, make them come up body because I know say Chelsea, they still be like Liverpool. They go up before you see the door come down. I say now, season just start. We know say they lose one now. Trouble don't dey for there. They go say the coach do this one, the coach not use this one, the coach too quick come out this player for game. You understand me? No be say City good like that too, but we know say na hard work. But no team go fit compete with Man City now. If they win, they beat Man City 5-0, or if they beat them 6-0, you go see and say they pick form. Once they fit score 1, they don't get equalizing game. As they equalize the game, maybe they'll call you go for winning if much time still there for them. You understand? So City, they not ever they say that they lose form. That's what Liverpool be before, but these days I not for they understand. Say Liverpool if they do that kind of thing. You understand me?
I get you.
But City, they lose, they win, you go say and say that power, that focus, they there. Just that their problem is say that is City, may they win Champions League for win.
Champions League.
If they win that Champions League now, we say they be anyon. You sabi me?
I sabi you.
Nah, so
but Oga Akpevwe now, before I will let you go now, I want to ask you, which other teams now, because I hear what you talk, you say now Man City again.
Yeah.
You know they see anybody to follow their feet, drag them like this now. So but I want to ask you about Tottenham. Some people they talk say, Tottenham they try and this their transfer business what they don't do. So make people watch out for Tottenham this season. So to you, Tottenham no get chance to challenge Man City at all.
Tottenham, they be average players. They get average players. They be average team. They not get that consistency. If injury starts to corner, fatigue hold them now. For full Tottenham now, only Son and Kane now they see. Although their new signings, they try. They try to warm it up to their standard, but they don't physically compete with Man City because Igwe na Igwe. City now they be king and they be sky blue. You understand me? You sabi me, abi?
I sabi you.
So Tottenham they struggle now. Although Man City get much competition to play than Tottenham. You understand that? But City, Champions League they did there. FA Cup they Sabian. Canley Cup now they full. Tottenham you know see there for Champions League now. Yes now Europa Cup. They'll go to play Thursday football. They don't know if you do anything. But City, you dey see them. If City come out Kevin De Bruyne, they go put Pick Foden. You go fit plan there. Kai Walker na machine. You understand? But Tottenham good, but I'm not right Tottenham off. But they no fit finish second. Okay. But they fit finish maybe from third, fourth, fifth. And that rate they put. But Tottenham now they balance. As it stand now they balance. I like their team.
All right, make I ask you now, what do you get to tell other Liverpool fans now for this season? Because you say, they see Liverpool to push Man City the way they pushed Man City last season. What do you get to tell other Liverpool fans for this season? What do they go to expect?
Now that one I like talk. Now, we need like two major signings, just two great midfielder, one creative midfielder and one good holding midfielder.
But you talk about holding midfielder, but Liverpool get now Fabinho not now.
Fabinho dey, but my fear be say Fabinho go fit get injury. He never play this match, he don't injure. If he dey eat self, he dey injure. If they bath, he dey injure. If they ride motor, he dey injure. The same thing with Thiago. No more never go where Thiago dey. Thiago never run. He don't kick something, he don't injure. So if we sign better two, one creative midfielder and one holding midfielder now, we go fit boost our morale. You understand me? So, but now the coach now I don't know whether he gets any potential of signing anybody. But me I don't know for Ramon. But my greetings to all Liverpool fans. Be say, you never give up. The time still dey fresh for everybody. You know, they say now when food dey hot, they shop am. Now the season just start now, so make we still dey patient with the boys then. Before the window go end. If the coach fit just sign one player, one great midfielder come now, if he balance us now, we know say yes, Liverpool they'll fit come back as the way they be before last season. Now so it just be.
All right, now Oga Akpevwe, thank you for your time.
Okay,
your face show and your shoe shine.